अस्तंत बंगालचे आदले राज्यपाल आणि एनडीएचे उपराष्ट्रपती पदाचे उमेदवार जगदीप धनखड हांची भारताचे 14वे राष्ट्रपती म्हणून निवड जाल्या। तांणी यूपीएच्या मार्गारेट अल्वा हांकां हारयल्या। 725 मतांतल्यान धनखड हांकां 528 जाल्यार अल्वा हांकां 182 मतां पडली। 15 मतां बाद थारली। जगदीप धनखड 11 ऑगस्टाक उपराष्ट्रपती पदाचो सोपूत घेतले। सध्याचे उपराष्ट्रपती व्यंकय्या नायडू हांचो कार्यकाळ 10 ऑगस्टाक सोंपता। ताका लागून 11 ऑगस्टाक नवे उपराष्ट्रपती सोपूत घेतले।
A wonderful chairman for the Rajya Sabha, will be an outstanding vice president. The nation is blessed to have a president, a tribal lady president, Mahamahim Draupadi Murmu ji. The nation is blessed to have a son of a farmer, an eminent jurist as the vice president of India, and I think both Prahlad ji as the parliamentary affairs minister and I as the leader of the house are very fortunate that we'll get a chance to work with Honorable Shri Jagdeep Dhankhar ji, the Vice President of India.
I am so happy, I congratulate him, and he has a very good vast knowledge about the constitution and law, and also quite witty. I am quite confident that he will handle the situation in the Rajya Sabha very well, and I am also so happy that it is a very decisive victory, and it is more than 74% vote share. It is one of the impressive victory, and he is also an eminent lawyer, a very eminent lawyer, and a farmer also. This is a rare combination.